Assalamu alaikum students of class 4. Welcome to the 19th video lecture of class 4 maths. Open your books to page number 18. We have some MCQs here. I will be solving the first one here, first equation here. The first one says 3 multiply 5 plus 8. Now according to the rules of DMaths, we have to perform division first, but we don't really have division here, so we can perform multiplication. For that, 3 multiplies 5 makes 15 plus 8. Now 15 plus 8 makes 23, so the option here is 23. Now you can copy the answer from the video or from the end of the book, but the answers are just for reference. You have to solve all these equations on your rough copies to find the correct answer. Now if you are able to solve these equations, this will be much easier for you. The first one I can solve it for you. Like the first one here says 524 plus 48 minus 24. These problems will be solved on your neat notebooks. For the first problem here, according to DMaths, we have to perform addition first. For that, 424 plus 48 makes 8 for 12, 1 carry, 7 or 4, and it makes 478 minus 24. And for that, minus 24, 12 and 6. If we minus 12 from 4, we get 8 and 5 and 4. The answer will be 458. You have to solve all the other problems. You can get help from your tutors, your parents too, and if you still have any kind of problems, you can leave a comment below the YouTube video and I'll just get to that, or you can even post the question in the WhatsApp group and I will get to that with the solution. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz, take care.